I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on linear relations. Here is an excellent application test question. I want the roof to be 90 degrees at its peak and have a slope of minus 8 over 3 on the far end. If height of the roof must be 360 centimeters, how wide is the house? You can always pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, referring to this diagram, we are given that this height of the roof should be 360 centimeters, right? So that we want as 360 centimeters. We're also given that slope of the far end, this which is falling, going down, is minus 8 over 3. This slope is, we can write m equals to minus 8 over 3. How wide is the house? We want to find this width. So let this be W. So I hope now the question is absolutely clear. You can pause the video and answer the question. Now, to answer the question, let me write A, B, C as the points on the vertex A, B, and C here, and we'll place this point as D, where we drop a perpendicular from A to the base CB. Now, we are given that the slope M for A to B is equal to minus 8 over 3. Since we know that AD is 360, we can find what DB is, right? Now, in this particular case, the slope actually is rise over run, and this is negative, going downwards. So we say AD, negative of AD over dB. And in this particular case, we know the slope is minus 8 over 3, right? So, and we also know that AD is 360. We are given that A to D equals to 360. Substituting that value, we can find what dB is, right? So we have minus 8 over 3 equals to minus 360 over dB. Why have we taken this minus? Because it is going downwards, right? So run will be dB and rise is going falling, right? So it is in that direction, and therefore we took this value as negative. So from here we can get that dB is equal to, now both minus and minus cancel, so we get 360 times 3 over 8. Now, when we divide by 8, 8 times 4 is 32, 40, 8 times 5, and multiplying with 3, 3 times 5 is 15, 12 and 1, 135 units of centimeters. So we get what dB is. So we know now this is 135. Correct? We also know the slope of AC. Since they are perpendicular, we can write that the slope M of, let's say, C to A is basically negative of slope of A to B, right? So 1 over slope of A to B. Since they are at right angles, right? Since they are perpendicular, correct? So we know that slope of C to A is basically equal to 3 over 8. 3 over 8 slope means AD over CD. So we have here AD over CD equals to 3 over 8. AD is 360. Over CD is 3 over 8. So from here we can find what CD is. So that gives us CD equals to 360 times 8 over 3, correct? Okay. So when I divide this by 3, I get 120. Multiplying 8 by 120, we get 0. 8 times 2 is 16, 960, right? So we do get this length as 960 centimeter. So we can now find the width. So width is equal to CD plus DB, right? This width is same, right, to the width here. And in our case, we found CD to be 960 plus 135. Everything is in centimeters. 5, 9, 1000. So many centimeters. So we could actually write this as 10.95 meters. So that becomes the width of the house. Is that clear? So that is how we are going to solve our question. I hope all the steps are absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.